Hey y'all! Thank y'all so much. We got 300 subscribers. It's 300 of us. Like, what? If y'all are watching this video, I probably got a little bit more, over 300, but I just hit 300 subscribers a couple of days ago, and I just want to come on here and say thank you. This is also going to be an update video about my winter arc and my 100-day journey that I've been doing so far. So let me just talk to y'all about it. It's also Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. I hope that you have some good food, because I'm about to eat some real good food. And I hope that you are enjoying your Thanksgiving with people that care about you and that you care about. But yeah, so my winter arc, if this is your first video, I basically have been trying to be more consistent in my life and on YouTube. So I've been trying to post every day, or at least get 30 videos out a month with YouTube. And when I first made this video, and I'm going to link the first video down below, I'm gonna be honest, y'all. I initially made the video thinking that I was going to be posting 30 long form videos, right? So in the beginning of my journey, like the first 15 days, I would say, or first 20 days, I was focused on those long form videos. I've got a lot of those out this month, and I'm very proud of myself, but I did not get 30 videos out. So by November 21st, which will be like the 30th day, basically, I had 28 videos posted, and those are including shorts and long form videos. And now that I've reevaluated, if you go and watch my last video, it's very important, because in my last video I showed y'all the chat GPT like plan that it made, and it said like at the end of 30 days reevaluate what you're doing so you can be more efficient and effective to reach your goals. And now I'm reevaluating what I'm doing. Shorts are included in the 30 videos, so I don't care if it's long form or shorts. I'm going to be posting both, and that also helps me because shorts are a lot easier to post. So I've been posting those, and that's been helping me gain subscribers as well as get a lot of engagement, which some of those people from my shorts are now watching my long form videos. So I really appreciate that. My long form videos have also been giving me subscribers. I've been talking about things that I feel as though that I wish I had someone to give me this advice when I was younger. Things that I feel as though that I learned a little late. Nothing is late, but I just feel that way. So I want to show and express all the knowledge that I have with you guys. And if it could help someone earlier in life than it did with me, then I accomplish what I need to do. I don't care if you just have one person. That means I accomplish what I need to do, because I just want to be able to share my experiences, my thoughts, my beliefs, my insecurities, my journeys. I want to express them and show them to you guys. And then if that potentially gets someone in a better place, makes someone more confident about themselves and who God called them to be, then I know that I did my job right. So I'm really here for you guys. I'm just going to try to help and give as much knowledge as I have. And I'm so glad and so appreciative that you guys have been subscribing and you've been engaging. I've been getting some comments that literally make me cry, because I really feel as though that this is what I'm supposed to do. I have so much passion for people and women specifically. I feel as though that I need to pour into my community, and I'm building this community to pour into you guys and to build you guys up and to make sure that you have somebody that's speaking life into you. And if I'm that one person, then welcome. So thank you so much for this journey. It is Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving. I am just going to go. I'm supposed to be teaching y'all how to dougie. So I'm going to keep my promise, because we got 300 subscribers. Y'all did that. I'm going to teach y'all how to dougie later, but I'm about to go eat first because it's Thanksgiving. So I'm about to go with my family. Let me show y'all my fit, actually. Hold on. Don't worry about my bed not being made. Mind your business. But this is the fit. I got this Ed Hardy shirt from GTLR. Don't mind my bed, y'all, but I got the Ed Hardy shirt. My mama bought me these jeans from H&M. They fit so good. Like, they fit my waist so good, and they fit so good. And then I had these loafers on. Yeah, hard bottom white socks like this. But yeah. And then I got my necklaces. I didn't want to put my I ain't gonna cap y'all. I didn't want to put my rings on. I had a dream a couple of days ago that I lost one of my rings, so I ain't been wearing them for real because I don't want to lose them. So no rings, but we got the bracelets and the necklace and my KK earrings. I'm about to go eat. Yes, I hope y'all enjoy, and I'm gonna be back to teach y'all how to dougie. All right, y'all. So I'm about to teach y'all how to dougie. Okay, I'm from Dallas, so we like kind of created this shit. So just sit back and relax, y'all. So it's real simple, but it's an art to it. It's all about the flow of your body, right? So you just want to do a little flow of your body, and you want to go lean into it. Y'all got to lean into it. Y'all don't be leaning into it. Y'all don't be using y'all knees and y'all shoulders and y'all midsection. You gotta lean into it. Lean into it. And it's opposite arm, opposite leg, right? So if you so if you lean into the right, we're gonna use our left arm, and if you lean into the left, you're gonna use your right arm so it can look right. So it's a lean, 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 lean. And then it's a shoulder. It's a whole motion. You gotta use your, so boom, 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 boom. You can have your arms out. Boom, 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 like boom, 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 boom. One of those. Or you can do a little, sometimes that's what I be doing. I be, oh. It's real simple. You just gotta follow the music. Let your body tell you where to move. It's real simple. So we're gonna do it with a little music, okay? Okay, so now we're about to do it with some music. And we're gonna see what y'all do. Alright? So get your ass up. Get up, girl. Oh. See it? Oh. No hands. Teach me how to do. What? Can you teach me how to do? And then for you, the back lean side to side. They gon' be on one side. He go by brother, and he hit that like. What he say? I ain't from Dallas, but I be town boogie. I'm from Dallas, y'all. Oh. Bye, y'all.